In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a snapshot from a video using VLC Media Player, so you can save any frame you want in just a moment. To do that, open VLC Media Player and load your video into it. When video starts playing automatically, simply pause it. Now, press E key on your keyboard to move through the video one frame at a time. And if you hold E key, the video will move through the frames much faster. Once you reach the exact frame you want, click Video, then select Take Snapshot. A small notification will appear inside VLC, confirming that your snapshot has been saved. But if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press Shift+S and you'll get the same result. To find your snapshots, open Pictures folder on your computer. And as you can see, all snapshots we captured are saved in this folder. So, that's how you can take a snapshot using VLC Media Player. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.